Hello again and welcome back. Today's topic, turning a small investment into $1 million. In this video, I take on the challenge of turning a small investment into $1 million, just like Jeff Bezos did. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, is the epitome of success and wealth. His rags to riches story is a testament to the power of innovative thinking, hard work, and strategic risk-taking. As we dive into his journey, I want you to ask yourself, what's holding you back from achieving financial freedom? One of the biggest barriers to achieving financial success is our own mindset. We often let fear, doubt, and uncertainty hold us back from taking risks and pursuing our passions. But the truth is, playing it safe can be the riskiest move of all. To build wealth, you need to be willing to take calculated risks and step outside your comfort zone. Many of us are also held back by our limited beliefs about money. We think that financial success is only for the privileged few, or that it requires some kind of special talent or genius. But the truth is, building wealth is a skill that can be learned and mastered with the right mindset and strategy. We also need to overcome our addiction to instant gratification. In today's world of quick fixes and get-rich-quick schemes, it's easy to fall into the trap of seeking immediate results. But the truth is, building wealth takes time, patience, and persistence. It requires a long-term vision and a willingness to delayed gratification. Another major obstacle is our lack of financial education. We're not taught how to manage our finances, invest wisely, or build multiple income streams. We're not taught how to think like entrepreneurs and create value in the marketplace. But the good news is, all of this can be learned, and it's never too late to start. Jeff Bezos' success is a testament to the power of innovation, resilience, and long-term thinking. When he started Amazon, it was just an online bookstore. But he didn't stop there. He continued to innovate, experiment, and push the boundaries of what was possible. He invested heavily in research and development, and he was willing to take risks and try new things. Bezos also had a long-term vision for Amazon. He didn't just focus on short-term profits, he focused on building a sustainable business model that could last for decades. He was willing to sacrifice short-term gains for long-term growth, and it paid off in a big way. One of the key strategies Bezos used to build Amazon was his focus on customer obsession. He was obsessed with delivering exceptional customer service, and he was willing to do whatever it took to make that happen. He invested heavily in technology and logistics, and he created a customer-centric culture that permeated every level of the organization. Another pivotal moment in Bezos' career was his decision to expand Amazon beyond just books. He saw an opportunity to create an online marketplace that could sell anything, and he took it. It was a huge risk, but it paid off in a big way. The decision to expand Amazon was a turning point in Bezos' career, and it's a testament to the importance of taking calculated risks. Bezos didn't play it safe. He took a risk and it paid off in a big way. He didn't let fear or uncertainty hold him back. He pushed forward and created something truly remarkable. So what can we learn from Bezos' journey? We can learn the importance of innovation, resilience, and long-term thinking. We can learn the value of taking calculated risks and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And we can learn the importance of having a customer-centric mindset and a willingness to adapt and evolve. As we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a challenge. What's holding you back from achieving financial freedom? What's the one thing you can do today to move closer to your financial goals? Take a moment to reflect on your mindset, your beliefs, and your strategies. Are you playing it safe, or are you taking risks and pushing forward? Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are some of the wealth-building strategies that have worked for you, and what's holding you back from achieving financial freedom? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on building wealth and achieving financial success.